Hey guys, now this video explains superposition theorem. Okay, let's look at this circuit. Now, so if you look at this circuit, we'll say like circuit A. Circuit A, circuit B, circuit C. Now, what are the differences between these circuits? Now, circuit A, we have two voltage source. The resistor network is same, so B also same. Only thing like in circuit B, we have forgotten V2 voltage source. If you look at voltage circuit C, we have skipped voltage source V1. According to superposition theorem, like if you look at circuit like this, if you want to calculate the branch current, let's say it is R3, you can consider one voltage source at a time and then calculate the current. So then once you add these current value together, when you take the vector sum of this current, so then you get the final current value. For example, if you run this one, you will get these figures. Now, circuit B, we have current through this 120 ohms resistor, 26.66. And also if you look at circuit C, the current to 120 ohms resistor downward, it is 50 ohms, now 50 milliampere. So when you add these two value together, you are getting this total current. Now that is what superposition theorem is about. So it is easier way of calculating current in a given circuit. So you don't need to write a simultaneous equation and solve them. So you can simply do this calculation. It is all what you need to do is like eventually when you calculate the current, you can calculate the total current. But here the direction is you need to consider the direction matters. So if in circuit C current is upward, you need to consider this current value as negative. Okay, now I'll show you how to calculate this current. If you consider like circuit B, so okay, now here first I will mark this current value. Let's say that is ix. I can calculate this ix this way. First thing I need to calculate the total resistance, so that should be 150 ohms plus. Now we had two parallel resistance, because of that do this one. Okay, now RT, if you simplify this one, you will get RT is equal 50 ohms plus 54.55. So that eventually give you 204.55 ohms resistance. So then Ix, first I will find what is I total. So that will be 12 volt, simple Ohm's law. T, that is equal 58.67 milliampere. So now in order to find Ix, you can apply current dividers rule. And 50 opposite branch resistance, 100 divide by 100 plus 120. So this will give you Ix is equal 26.67 milliampere. Now same way we will calculate current in circuit C. RT dash, in this case we'll see that is 100 plus, so we have 150 plus, because they are in parallel, 120. So now this will give you RT dash, that is equal 100 plus 66.67. So which eventually give me 166.67. So then I total dash, that will be, now the voltage source is 15 divided by 166.67. So eventually that gives you current value is 90 milliampere. When you apply current divider rule, so on this one, you will find 150 divided by 150 plus 120. So this will give you guys 50 milliampere. In order to find total current, we need to add Ix and Iy. So IR3, current through R3 resistor, that is equal Ix plus Iy. Now that is equal 26.67 milliampere plus 50 milliampere. So that is equal 76.67 milliampere. Now you can see the answer that you got. It is same as our circuit current. I hope you got good insight about superposition theorem. Thank you very much for watching.